I think I should be... Yeah, I think you can hear me now. What the fuck happened to this? Oh my god. Alright, we're here. We're back. So I'm gonna say the intro again. Welcome everyone to another stream of Gamedev. Tonight we're gonna work around our advanced hover vehicle system plugin and make the performance better in it, because I've noticed we have 2 FPS frame drop. Yeah, so I'm gonna import it and try to make it more performance oriented, something like that, and then we're gonna bring it into our game and make it drivable. Yeah, I wanna put this on the side. Oh my god, thank god, thanks for saying it, man. That one viewer I have is a legend. Lower the music. How about now? You fine with that? Yes? We're gonna install the hover vehicle system. It's a C++ project, but it's fine, I made it, right? So I should be able to I should be able to make it better. Oh, amazing! You are a legend. You definitely are. Bro, you have to stay tuned. You know why? Because Hitman games are coming up soon. I'm gonna play all of those. Hitman 1, 2, 3 from the oldest one. I wanna show you in my library real quick. Watch this. I have every Hitman game you can ever imagine, and we're gonna play all of those one by one, sooner or later. Let me get rid of this. Okay, advanced hover vehicle system is there, but the thing is, I would like to use the C++ code that I have in it. So what we will do is to add it to our game. Bro, did you see my game? The game I'm making? ARTS camera system. When did I ever use this in my project? Maybe as a test. Pirate Bay. I used to pirate every single fucking game in the history of games back when I was in my country. But now, no, I'll just buy them. Okay, you did not. So this is the game we are making. I believe there's a text in the bottom left of the screen, so you can see what's the game about. It's a space outpost, and then there are a bunch of people living in this space outpost. You are responsible for providing to them by fishing, mining, and farming anything you want. It's in the development phase, so anything you see is a prototype. For example, I have the prototype of NPC, prototype of the third-person player, things like that, okay? We have camera switch, you can walk, you can run. Let me see. For example, this one is patrolling randomly. I can talk to her if I want to. She doesn't have anything to say. Eventually, it's gonna have like be connected to some ChatGPT shit. So I'm gonna make them talk using AI. Some of them are just standing there doing nothing, and the other one is just following a path. So this is game dev things, you know. So the game is not ready yet, but yeah. But guess what? We can attach ourselves to anywhere we want, and it will. There is a cable, doesn't let me move further away. Okay, and of course, this is see, there are a bunch of problems with it, but nobody cares because I'm not gonna use this cable like this. Okay, this cable, by the way, I can also fly. It's not flying, it's some sort of a jetpack. Okay, I will tell you what's the use case. So this cable is gonna be connected to, why is it like this? Why the collision is so bad? Yeah, now it's okay. Because this cable is gonna be eventually connected to the hover vehicle that we have, because there's gonna be a spaceship. And then whenever you wanna get off that spaceship, that space car, let's say, you're gonna be attached using this wire, this cable, to that hover vehicle. So you cannot get further away. Also, if you see, I have this zero gravity thing, okay? If there is zero gravity, you can use some sort of a jetpack in the back of yourself, and you can fly a little bit around. I'm getting tangled with this cable. Okay, yeah, fly a little bit around and just try to maybe mine, maybe fish, whatever the shit you want to do in the space, you can do it. But I don't want to make the player be able to do this whenever he's inside the outpost. So that's all. Oh, by the way, there is gonna be an auction house, a shop, and that shop is online multiplayer. Just like the auction house we have in World of Warcraft. So you can sell or you can supply items to other players using that shop. Essentially, this is a market outpost. Okay, we have a little scene ready here for our outpost. Of course, we're gonna add a bunch more detail to it as we go, especially this the platform. But yeah, it's gonna happen sooner or later. I'm sorry, I had to sneeze. Spaceship model looks kinda similar. Similar to what? I'm using an asset from Unreal Marketplace. It's a pretty nice one, and it's not a spaceship. It's an outpost. And this asset was not supposed to be a spaceship or an outpost. It was supposed to be on the ground. But I used it and I tried to make some sort of outpost. It's not a spaceship. There is no engine room, no engine chamber, no driving or flying panel, nothing. Just an outpost. People live here. Looks familiar because they all look the same. It's more like a... I can say the model looks more like maybe Space Station. You see what I'm saying? International Space Station that we already have. So it doesn't look that fancy. Yeah, but we have rooms. Yeah, eventually I'm gonna make the doors slide as well. We have to do that at some point. Yesterday I streamed for almost 2 hours and we tried to work with the collisions and make it simpler. I did make it simpler as much as I could. I'm not gonna even show it right now because nobody cares. You're not a game dev, so yeah, there we go. Now I'm gonna work on the advanced hover vehicle system that I had, which I developed myself as well. I'm gonna bring it into the project and make it better. So allow me to show you what's the problem currently with the hover vehicle system that I have. Essentially, after this update, I have to update the plugin for public as well. Yeah. So, where is it? It's right here. Okay, let me show you something. Right now, the current FPS of the game is... Well, I am in the editor, so do not expect 60, 100 or something like that. We're definitely around 20. I'm on a 3070 Ti and we are inside the engine. So, I don't expect higher just yet. But it's around 20. Let's say 90, 20. Maybe lowest is 18. Something like that. So you can see that on the top right over there. That's the FPS. It's around 20 right now in the editor. Now if I add the advanced hover vehicle system, this is where things get odd and I need to fix it. Okay, I just want to drop in an advanced hover vehicle system. This is another product that I made. I'm gonna make it 5 degrees. Yeah, and I'm gonna make it playable. The way I do that is by the way, I just want to put a third-person blueprint over here as well, just to make things more interesting. Okay. And then, how am I going to make this car drive? By the way, I just noticed this camera. This camera, actually, no. No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. How am I going to make this work? By changing the game mode to BP Advanced. Okay, let's go. I did not make the 3D model. I bought the 3D model, I guess. I bought it. Oh yeah. You see, look at the frame rate. Sometimes it drops to even 10 or 12. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, it's right, it's working, it's totally fine. you know. But what is this nonsense? I get frame rate drops, so we're gonna fix that. And I think I know what's the problem. So the first thing I'm gonna try is to lower the plugin's tick function. You see what I'm saying? It's glitchy. It's kind of glitchy. Yeah, we're gonna fix that. Okay, we're gonna fix it. This is very weird. So how am I going to do this? Let's see. That's my current job. Where is my... So I'm going to create a test project, and I'm gonna bring the hover vehicle system into that project, and I'm gonna manipulate it there. Yeah, that's my plan. So what I do, I just right click on one of them and go to show in Explorer. I don't want this anymore. Wait, content. Yeah, I just want to copy this. I'm gonna create a test project. How much space do I have? Like 78 GB. It's alright. Let's create a test project. I'm having some soda. So yeah, I can have a blank one. It's okay. I'm gonna advanced hover vehicle system fixed. That's it. I'm gonna call it fixed, and it's going to be in my on the desktop. Why not? I'm not gonna create. Oh, actually, on desktop in the alley project file. Third-person camera have a little delay. There is already a delay for it. I can make it more, or I can make it less. It's possible. Well, I can show you. I can show you that there is already a delay. Going back to the project just to just to show you. It's slow because I'm creating another project in another Unreal. Oh, also, I want to change the game mode back to the third-person alley game mode. Okay, let's see the delay. Just bear with me, it's gonna be fine. The other Unreal is giving me a headache. Wait, is the project ready? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. Let's play. Okay. You see what I'm saying? There is a slight delay already. You see what I'm saying? When I stop, the camera slowly moves back to the player. Okay. Well, I can make it more, but I kinda don't want to. Let me show you. Let's make it more. Make it more just to show you that to my eyes it didn't look good when I made more delay. No, not delay, lag. It's called the camera lag. If I make it, for example, 5 instead of 10. Okay, now we have even more delay, which I feel is unnecessary. For example, when you're walking to the left, you can't see where you're walking to, where you're running into, you know? It's basically consuming a lot of... You see what I'm saying? This is too much lag. But it's tweakable. You can shoulder swap, by the way, if you need to. it's too much. So maybe I can make it like 8. So not 10, not 5. Yo, this one's better. I think this is good, right? I think this seems okay, to be honest. Or maybe too much, I don't know. I think this is also too much. What do we have to say? Oh, by the way, we optimized the NPC so much, I can have a lot of them. Basically a ton of them. Let me show you. Allow me to show you. I don't want this one. So basically, I'm gonna have one of these guys over here, and I'm gonna say, hey, you should follow a path. And the way I can do that is by going here, give it a path, and then initial state is follow a path. All right. Let me show you something cool. With no gravity. That's actually a good idea. I'm gonna do it right now before I forget it. I'm gonna show you something crazy, by the way. I wanna show you a swarm of people, how they react to each other and to players. And I optimized it so much that they don't even get stuck anymore. I mean, I have a bunch of algorithms going behind the scene. I'm gonna add a lot of people here. Oh my god. These are so many, right? And they will all try to follow that little path that I have. Oh. Let's see. This is gonna go crazy. Holy shit. Look at them. What? Some of them died, but yeah, they're not that. They're stupid, but they. You see what I'm saying? It's possible to have a crowd this big. I can even block their way. Can I push one down myself, bro? I just killed a few of them. Yeah, just to prove a point that is possible. Yeah, there is no lag. You see what I'm saying? And that lag you see is because of my Unreal Engine. I have 2 Unreals open. And yeah, they're trying to walk on top of each other because there is not enough space for them. Yeah. They even try to go around me. Anyways, that's what we have so far. Yeah. I want to remove them because they are so many. They die. They fall down. I'm gonna go back to the advanced hover vehicle system and make that work. I'm gonna keep this pack here. Let them walk. Okay, back to the other project. And here, have you ever tried my advanced hover vehicle system? The demo, there is a playable demo for it. You can find it on my YouTube channel. Advanced hover vehicle system. Advanced. I have to turn it on here. It's just like a game. You can play it if you want, and you can fly as high as you want. Okay. All right. Now that I have added this plugin, actually, I'm going to create a plugins folder. plugins, and here. Oh, I just copied that one from there. I can't bring it here. Interesting. I'm gonna bring it. No. I have to copy a file. Showing Explorer. Marketplace, advanced hardware ecosystem. Okay, there we go. Okay, now that it's here, I have to remove binaries. Wait, why I can't? Oh, this is the alley project. Copy this, go to here, paste it here. Yeah, this should be fine. Yeah, just try it. Definitely try it. So in my YouTube, there is a video called Advanced Hover Vehicle System Plugin. You can click on that, and there is a download playable demo link. So there should be a plugins, Advanced Hover Vehicle System, levels. I don't want this level, but yeah, let's go. What do you mean you cost money? Advanced Hover Vehicle System playable demo is completely free. You can download it and play it if you talk about that. And about your PC, RX 6700 XT is a good graphic card. I like it. Ryzen 5 5600, that's also good. Great. CGI videos and games. Definitely go for a 32 GB RAM. If you do that, by the way. For CGI or Unreal or anything, you need at least a 32 GB. I mean, for my PC, I have 64 GB. That's great. For my laptop, I have 32 GB, which isn't enough for the projects I'm doing in Unreal. So what I'm gonna do is, yeah, I was about to change the tick functionality. So I'm gonna make the tick interval maybe only 15 times a second, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna try it. I don't know. Well, right here it's working very well, but in the alley project, it's having a hard time. What do I do? Oh, I see. Because I have 15 tick. Okay, my tick is 15. That's why it's acting a bit weird. Yeah, a bit slower. So if I make the tick function to 15, then I have to do more changes. I have to jump into C++ now. Definitely. Because otherwise it won't work. We have some calculations done in the tick function of C++. I also noticed that moving around with your mouse, like, it feels super fast whenever the FPS is low. So probably I should multiply that by delta time as well. Let's see. So Advanced Hover Vehicle System tick function, where is it? the move enhance, that's okay. End move enhance, that's okay again. Pitch change enhance, that's fine. And the lift up enhance, that's fine again. These are all okay. Flip. Switch gravity hover, engine switch. Oh my god, this is really hard. I remember someone told me, hey, can you do a replication for the advanced hover vehicle system so it can support multiplayer? I said, dude, it's so hard. If you look at the code, there are so many variables and things going on, but eventually I will make it replicable as well. Eventually, probably this month or next month, we're gonna have an update for Unreal for this plugin and make it cover multiplayer projects as well. Check if flipped. Oh, I didn't find it. I just want to search for it. Wait a second. I can't do anything. It's glitched out. Nope, don't save. And open again. You made a donut and you can't render it on an RX 5007, huh? Bro, why you can't? You should be able to do that. I've rendered stuff on even 15, 20 years old graphic cards. Just make sure you don't do a ray casting. What was it called in Blender? Ray casting thing? I don't know. Change your render. Yeah, change your rendering mod, I guess. Don't do a cloud, something like that. Do not do that. If I control F, yeah, there's a problem. It doesn't let me. I don't know what's going on. Why? You know what? I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna open it with Visual Studio Code. Why do I have two of them open at the same time? This is one of them. This is the other one. I want to get rid of one of them at least. Don't save. Alrighty. What is this? Key binding? Yeah, it's my project. Source public, tip private. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the tick function right here. I believe we can do some optimization here. Oh really? But I remember it did, man. Maybe recent updates are different. Okay, check if flipped. I'm gonna check if this function is demanding. Okay, otherwise we do that, we do this. I create a T array and then I do a ray casting, like a line trace. I make a line trace and I try to detect something. Okay, not that much. Not that much. What about the next one? This is not demanding. Get components. Hover-based components. Not demanding at all. This is okay. Seems okay. This is okay. Totally fine. This is a bunch of if and else statements. So what is preventing me? What is causing the lag? I don't understand. Oh yeah, new patches. I get it now. So the only thing we have is this check flip thingy. I'm gonna comment it. That's it. We do not need to check flip right now. I'm going to compile. Oh, by the way, this is not a C++ project, so I'm going to add one C++ thingy to it. I have to go to tools, new C++ class. Anything, just give me a normal actor class, normal C++ class, sorry. I have to go. I will leave the stream in background so you get watched them. Oh, thank you, man. That's great. You're so kind, bro. Love to see you around. Stay tuned for the Hitman game as well. Successfully added. Okay. Fucking C++ and compile times. I actually like the other two musics that play. Yeah, we're gonna listen from here. Okay, we have a C++ class that we don't care. I just wanted my project. Oh. I cannot see C++ classes because I know what's the error. I have to create a C++ class, maybe out of it's gonna be driven by the character. Character is gonna be its parent, maybe a public one. I know it's a mess, it's just a test project. Because Unreal has a glitch. If you add an empty C++ class, it's not gonna show up on the client. Ah, yeah, you see what I'm saying? Now it's working. Now it came to this scene like live, and it's trying to compile. I don't want the live coding thing. I'll turn it off in a sec, but yeah. You have to wait. Reload all. Alright. Just do it. What if I close it? Okay, I'll just close it. And reopen. This is so weird. Programming in Unreal sometimes gets weird. Yes, rebuild them. There shouldn't be any errors. There is an error instantly. What is it even like? It's a transparent error. What the fuck is happening in this world? Could not compile rebuilding from source code. Okay, I'll do that. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. I just cancel this. I don't want the IntelliSense fucking shit. IntelliSense should work automatically. You shouldn't prompt me each time what the fuck you gonna do. I don't care. I don't want to know. Let me go to my source here. Public. No, private. Yeah. Control Shift P. Compile. And show me any errors there is. Close without sending. Please don't throw an error. Make me do my job. taking so long? Oh, yeah, it's because of the plugin that I have. Dude, there was no error. That means I can go into the project. I can open it now. Please. Please. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Oh yeah. Let me save this to content and add with the name map1, and I'm gonna set it as the project default. World setting. So the game mod is going to be BP Hover Vehicle System, and project settings. Starting map is going to be this one. Map 1. Map 1. We should be good. Yeah, let's try. Okay. So far so good, it's working. Fine to me. Now what I'm gonna do is work in the C++ now. How am I going to do that, and why do I have two of them open? Okay, one is enough. So what we did, it was commenting the check if flipped, right? I'm gonna do it again. Is this the IHVS fixed? Yes. What is this error? It's compiling the editor. Nope, 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 nope. Stop. Disable live coding. Holy shit. First error of the day. I have to wait for the live coding to finish, by the way. Yeah. Otherwise, it will keep showing me this shit. Running Unreal Build 2. Oh, yeah. See what I'm saying? Now I can. A matter of fact, every time I do this, I have to restart the engine because it's a plugin. It's in the plugins folder. We no longer have a check flip functionality, so if I flip, I shouldn't be able to jump back. Yeah, I cannot, as you can see. This is great. Okay. Now I would like to know what's happening. What else is happening here? That wasn't it. This is not that demanding, I would say. It's right that I would like to see this happening in a different function. But yeah. What if I go to my... So the problem wasn't the tick function. Probably it is the enhanced inputs. You see what I'm saying? This add force already applies the delta time. That's why I didn't add a delta time here. want to see exactly what's happening. Is there a button to close them all at once? I don't know. I don't know if there is. So this way I can read and see what's happening. So begin play was okay. Tick for now was okay. Start player input, move enhanced, end move pitch, end pitch lift, switch gravity enhanced, hover switch. So the things that I would like to see is this lock enhanced. Okay, we have to take into the consideration the delta time, delta seconds, which we are. Interesting. Interesting. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna say move forward event implementation. Let's see. We gotta figure it out somehow. There should be a problem somewhere, right? Otherwise the performance would be better. What was the name? Move forward event. I'm gonna print something. Print hello. Oh, even the movement is okay. Holy shit. So the problem has to be somewhere else. I'm gonna go back to my tick function. I want to check it again. We have this check flip one. I have a feeling that this check flip ray tracing, this thing is demanding. And then this part is okay. Let me check this function. No, this one is okay. And then we're adding a bunch of force sometimes. That's okay. We're adding impulse. That's totally fine. I'm gonna remove these UE logs because we don't need them. I also want to remove this one. Yeah. We're just adding force. Interesting. The only part of it was that I told you. Okay, let's find it. Where was it? Check flip, right? Check flip. Okay. have to search Google for this. Should be an easy task, but I know sometimes. Oh no. Wait. I think I will set a timer for it. I think I should. I think that's the best way to do this. I remember I had a side tick which didn't work. I still don't know why it didn't work. I feel like that was better. Anyways. So apparently it's best to create a timer for this matter. Can I do that here? Maybe in the begin play. Right here, after I set everything up. We set a timer handle. Now I need to make the timer handle work. Let me see, where is the timer handle? This and this instead of my actor is gonna be advanced hover vehicle. That was close. I was messing up. And then check if flipped. Check if flipped. So every 1 second. This way I don't need to check it here. You see what I'm saying? I think this will work. Then we go here. I am going to actually check if interesting. Okay, I don't know. It's fine. I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna see if this works. Let's remove the other check if flipped that we had. Oh yeah, it's already commented. What's the error? Timer handle unclear on the identifier. Yeah, I told you I have to make that work. I almost forgot. Just give me a sec. We need to go to the header file and add a private variable. It can be public as well, so I'll just put it here. I'm gonna call it check flipped timer handler. Yeah, And it's gonna be handle. sorry. Okay, it's not a start. There has to be this, and it's not a pointer. I certainly hope it works. I have to compile it here. Someone sent me a message. This late. Okay, we still have an error. Accept the expression instead of type before 156. Get world time manager. I think I need to add the header file as well, which I forgot to do. No, there's no header file. So what else? Missing something. Every time I'm gonna set timer. Let me see. This is fine. This is fine. This. The timer in Unreal C++. I'm just searching how to create a timer in Unreal C++. If timer handle, I already did that. And then we have a delegate for it. I don't want a delegate. This is how I want to do it. So get world, get timer manager, set timer, check timer handle, attack. Okay, mine is this timer handle, and then the delegate that I have, which is that one, it's not a delegate. Mine is not a delegate, it's just a function. The problem is IntelliSense isn't working for some odd reason. By function. I don't want to delegate. Delegate is whenever you want to create a function within your function. I don't want that. I just want a normal extend code. Okay, this is another example that I could find. The first one is my timer handler, then this, then my function, then it's time. Well, that's alright. I did it right, I guess. Yes. Things seems to be fine. It should work. Expected an expression instead of a type. What does it mean by that? Oh, yeah. Yes, it should be double quotes because it's a type, right? What is it called? Quote? I'm gonna see what this thing is called. A colon. It should be double colons. The error should go away. Yes, I told you. Now I have to save, close it, just save it and reopen it again. It's frustrating, but the outcome will be great. The other thing I'm gonna work on is the, what do we call it? The hover components, yeah. That's right, I'm gonna make sure we have the same functionality as before. So if I flip like that, I should be able to jump flip back. So I'm flipped, I can jump back. It took me a second. Yeah, it's working, totally working. Going back to my blueprint, remove that hello thingy. Okay, I don't want it. The other thing, yes, this is good. Let's go to our hover components now. CPP one, and here we're gonna check the tick function over here because this is also demanding. We're gonna find the solution for this one. Do I create a timer for this one as well? I think if I do, it's gonna slow my vehicle down. So this is one of those parts that I can change in the tick function in code, in blueprints. Let me work around it. So I'm gonna go to tick. I'm gonna set it maybe only 10 times a second. I know it's gonna look foolish. Probably we need more force. Yeah, it's kind of working. You see what I'm saying? But we need more force because it's only working 10 times a second. Oh. So yeah, definitely we need more gravity. 10 times a second isn't that enough. Yeah, I should give it more force. But okay, we kind of found a way for it. I'm gonna go into the code and do it here. I'm gonna say, should I do it in the begin play? Yeah, I say set. Fucking this isn't working again. Set a tick. Just a line of code I'm looking for. This is what I want. So yeah, I don't need to do it here. I can do it in the I can do it in the construction function. Yep. Okay. So it was 1 divided by how much? I just wanted. I said maybe it's okay to run for like 10 times a second. Maybe I say 15. Point F. Little bit of calculation. What's the error for? Unclear something. Definitely because I'll do it here. 1 divided by 15. It's a very odd number, but we're gonna use it. What's going on here? Yeah, it's loading, but no. There's an error. I'm telling ya. I think it should be a primary component tick interval. You see what I'm saying? Let me search Google about it. Primary component tick, yes, see? I'm a genius, I know what I'm saying. This can go back to whatever it was. 1.f divided by 15.f. Oh, no, not 2f, please, please, please. Go ahead, work. Oh, I didn't change it, okay. Easy. I'm gonna compile it here. Done. Save and go back. Very frustrating job, but I repeat, the outcome worth it. Yes. Got this, boys. We got this. I kind of want to go to the right a little bit. Yeah, a bit more maybe. Okay, we're good. Let's try. It should be weaker. It should be glitchy a little bit, but we're gonna fix it, right? We just need to give it more force, and that's okay. Let me fly. It's totally fine. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I can stick to the walls. I feel like the gravity is also slower. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to the ground so I go faster. This is the interesting part. Okay, let me see the artificial gravity. It's working. It's working. I just need to give it more power. Okay. Let's check. Great. Great. So if we have 4 of them, it means... Alright. I feel like it's okay. I'm gonna bring this into my project. I'm gonna see if the problem is solved. Okay, so we copy this advanced hover vehicle system, and then I go to the alley. Where is it? Where is the plugin folder for the alley? I have to go to content. It isn't here. I just create a new folder called plugins. We paste it here. This is good. Now I'm gonna close my project and reopen it again. Fingers crossed. It's gonna have much less problems now. I may have to come up with a little bit of blueprints which says if the hover vehicle is not in use after 5 seconds, turn the tick function off. Yeah. Okay, you know what? Now I have to go to plugins. I'm gonna remove the interference. Before that, I'm gonna remove anything that's related to hover vehicle system. Great, and restart the engine. Ba-da-ba. Why I can't see my plugins folder? I cannot see my plugins folder. I don't know why. I will tell you why in a second. I'm gonna remove binaries and let me close this one as well. I want to remove binaries. Just remove it. Oh, I have to close this too. Shit. I have to close YouTube. Binaries. Why is it in use? In use. What's using it? Let's get rid of binaries. The fuck are you talking about? Everything is closed. Unreal is fully closed. What? Do you think Unreal Engine has a oh yeah, Unreal Editor here. Go away. Get the fuck out of my eyes. Now I can remove the binaries. Jesus. Let's check again. Unreal Zen storage service. I don't know what that is. What is this? Suspended search. Broker? What is this? Honestly speaking, I just saw it. I cannot see what this task is for. I think I know. It's for the local host that I have. Now after a little bit, maybe I can remove it. Why? This is very weird. Do I have Visual Studio? Visual Studio, no. Okay, this is Unreal. Now I'm gonna close the Unreal Engine. Make sure it is closed. Yes, it is. Refresh. Remove the binaries. What if I remove the intermediate? Come on. This is stupid. Something is interfering with what I'm doing. I'm gonna turn this off. I don't have any program open. Let's generate Visual Studio. Okay, I'm gonna go to plugins here and remove this binary and this intermediate. Did I have to go to content? No. Plugins. Let's remove. Paste. Binaries and intermediates here should go away. Hopefully, it's gonna be detected by Unreal this time. You know what's the next thing? Once I fix this, then I should attach the player with the cable that we have to the vehicle. I want the music to be begin from here. Great. Let's open the project. Oh no. Not again. The problem is I feel like I know why it's not showing up here. Yeah, there should be another folder here called plugins, which is not. Can I search for it? Advanced. No, it's not here. It's not detected. God damn it. My problem is that it keeps telling me that this binaries folder is in use by something. That's my problem. I need to be able to remove it. Windows Explorer, go away. As for Windows, what is using my binaries folder? Is it Epic? That's EA. What's the Zen storage? I don't know. But it's there, right? I'll just remove it. Virtual disk. Vanguard. Virtual disk again. Vanguard. No, there's no Visual Studio. Or... what happened to my screen? Oh! Guys, wait a second. YouTube, how to pause. I'm gonna see how I can pause the stream. And restart PC. This is a weird question, I know. How to use the media source Streamlabs. Is it even possible? There is a setting in Twitch that keeps you live for 90 seconds after disconnecting, crashing, but you aren't live for longer than that. Wants me to restart my computer to watch videos. No. Keep stream online when I restart my PC. I'm gonna ask. This is very weird. I can't. I think it's because I closed the Explorer from Task Manager. Thank God I have some things on my screen already. God damn it. Okay, there is no way. Okay, guys, I'm going to restart the computer, and we're gonna back on the stream again in a few seconds. Okay. So I would say just stay tuned for a second. I'm gonna come back real quick. I can't even go through Streamlabs. Actually, I can. I'll be back. Don't leave. Is there? Yeah, I'll be back very soon. I would say like